Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen. Yeah!
This looks really good. I'm not mad at this. What's up, y'all? I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look from start to finish and compare this wet flat twist out to my dry flat twist out so you guys can decide which one is your favorite. All right, to start off, I am washing my hair with my Gold System Ultimate Moisture Sulfate Free Shampoo. Right off the bat, I was shook that my fingers were just gliding through my hair. I can't recall the last time my fingers just ran through my hair like water, so you already know that moisture was on a whole nother level. But it's not color friendly, so keep that in mind if you have colored hair like me. Later on, you'll see some clips of my suds from the shampoo looking orange, and it may be hard to tell on camera, so you may just have to take my word for it. The products that I'm featuring in today's videos were gifted to me by Andre Walker Hair. Shout out to him and his team for reaching out to me. If you don't know who Andre Walker is, he has been Oprah Winfrey's hairstylist for over 25 years, and he is well experienced with natural hair. Andre is a 7-time winner of the Daytime Emmy Awards for the outstanding achievement in hairstyling for his work on the Oprah Winfrey Show. He is best known for being Oprah's personal hairstylist and for creating Halle Berry's signature short pixie haircut. Now, you guys know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, here you go, sis. The Gold System is geared toward women with type 3 and type 4 hair. Now, I know this may not matter to you, but when I went onto Andre Walker's website, I really appreciated the representation of multiple hair textures, from curly to kinky and multiple skin colors. But personally, I was most excited to see a woman with a deeper skin complexion. All right, enough about that. This shampoo was actually extremely impressive, minus the fact that it's not color friendly. My fingers, like I said, were gliding through my hair. Ow. And I don't usually detangle while I have shampoo in my hair, but I really couldn't resist. And that is a really good thing. I was literally in and out of the shower, and I feel like I can thank the shampoo for this pre-detangling. I did comb through and detangle some more with the conditioner in my hair, but that took no time at all. And that's so vital to me, as I take hours to complete my wash day. This wash day was super quick. I wasn't a fan of the texture of the conditioner, but it did give a good amount of slip for my detangling convenience. It's one of those conditioners that can be used as a deep conditioner if you were to let it sit for 30 minutes, which, if you're used to me and my wash days, then you already know that my deep conditioning is usually about an hour long. So when all is said and done, I don't feel like the deep conditioning option penetrated my hair enough as a deep conditioner. I didn't feel like it gave me moisture or restoration the way that my usual deep conditioners do. So with that in mind, one of my requests is for a deep conditioner by itself that actually goes in and does hard work, rather than a conditioner that can also act as a deep conditioner. Also, both the conditioner and the shampoo are about 8.5 ounces, which the entire Gold System retails for about $63, and that includes the 3 products that I am using in this video. So if you split that 3 ways, you are basically spending $21 on each product. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm paying over $20 for my conditioner, like this isn't even a deep conditioner, I would want for it to go a long way. When I was done applying the conditioner, I looked into the jar, and sus, the remaining conditioner will probably get me through another wash day and a half. then it's done. So my second request would be to receive more product for both the conditioner and the styling cream. You know, just keeping my girls with thicker hair in mind. I have products that are 16 ounces and retail for less than $20. And I know, it's Andre Walker, the formula is different, etc., etc. But this Natural Life is expensive. So it's not that I won't drop $20 on a product, but if I do, it definitely needs to last me. I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair dry overnight, let my hair air dry overnight. So I'll go ahead and style my hair in the morning. I'll definitely film it, so you'll see. All right, bye. Listen, if your fingers are not pruny after wash day, then I don't know, sis. Let me see that scalp, because I got questions. All of them have this bulletproof freaking seal, so I learned my lesson from, ouch! Open it with car keys or something that is sturdy. I'm doing a wet twist out today if you haven't caught on already, and all I'm using is one product. Since my hair has dried overnight, I'm spraying my hair with aloe vera juice and applying my beautiful Kinks styling cream jelly. All I do is detangle, flat twist, and add my perm rod. Now, since my last flat twist out video, someone suggested that I try 2 rows of twists in the front and 2 rows of twists in the back. So that's what I did, and I believe that helped keep me from too much frizz. You'll see how that looks later on, but I'm gonna speed through this because there's really nothing to see. It's just a really redundant process. Then I go ahead and untwist, add coconut oil on my fingertips, fluff with my pick, lay my edges, and then I'm done. Girl, it was looking funky, so I didn't know what to expect. So while you're here and anticipating the results of this twist out, I was thinking, what if we became family? Like, let's just become family, sis. Oh, look at me, already calling you sis. All right, let's not make it awkward, but all you gotta do to make this official is click that red subscribe button down below. Now, if you wanna stay in the loop every time I post something new, then you can go ahead and click that notification bell so that you don't get left behind. I'm gonna slow it down right here so you guys can see the definition. It looks really good already. All right, that's enough of that. looks really good. I'm not mad at this. Huh. Okay, wet twist out or wet flat twist out. I think this looks better than my dry twist out because obviously I had more moisture, obviously I have more moisture, and I think that my hair defines better when it is wet. So there's way more definition in my curls with this flat twist out rather than the other one. But I still want to try a flat twist out dry because I really want to see what that looks like with less shrinkage. My final review for the Andre Walker line, I really like the curling jelly. No, it's not the curling jelly. The cream, let me get that crap. The Beautiful King Styling Cream Jelly. I think it did a really good job at holding my hair while it was in the twist. It holds like a gel, but it doesn't have the crustiness of a gel, if that makes any sense. So I really appreciate that. I took it out and there were no flakes whatsoever. And I'm actually shook that it only took one product to get me here. So I'm very proud of that. I am more of a deep conditioner type of girl, so I would have really appreciated seeing a deep conditioner in there. And even as I left it on for 30 minutes as the deep conditioning method or option, I still wasn't very impressed. My hair responds better to a thicker deep conditioner, and I just felt like that conditioner wasn't good enough. Maybe if I let it sit for an hour it would have done better, but I tried to follow directions for once in my life and it didn't really work well for me. The shampoo I did appreciate. It did allow me to detangle easily while I had the shampoo in my hair, and it did lather up during my first attempt, but my hair was already pretty clean when I did wash my hair. So that's kind of a biased opinion, but that is my experience with this Andre Walker hair care line. I really enjoyed it. If I were to suggest one thing, it would definitely be this. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I just thought to let you know. Swear to God, you beautiful.